Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video, and today we're going to be testing out the Epson EcoTank 3850. Now these videos are very important so that you're able to see the print quality that this printer is able to produce. Now I'm going to be using Canon and HP photo paper. It's an oxymoron because I really should be using Epson photo paper, but this is actually going to prove that you can still print really good quality photos with non-Epson paper with an Epson printer, meaning that of course I'm using HP and Canon and it's still going to come out excellent. Now the first print that I'm going to do is a double-sided regular document, and so that you're able to see how this printer is able to print just a regular document. From there we're going to be moving on to pictures. We're going to be printing pictures that are very colorful, and you're going to see the print quality there as well. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, I ask that you like the video. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, there's going to be links in the description below for this printer and for the photo paper that I ended up using, along with a link to the iPhone that I ended up using. So the device I'm using to print these photos from is my smartphone. So through the Epson app being connected to the printer, that is how I'm going to be printing today. Now, one of the most important aspects when you're printing photos is going into the presets. That is the printer settings. You're going to select photo paper. You're going to select the correct size, whether you want it borderless or not. A little later on in the video, I'll show you that one more time so that you're able to see exactly what I did. You are going to want to pause, slow down once we get to those parts so that you're able to see the presets that I ended up using. Of course, if you're using 8.5 by 11 size paper, that's what you're going to select. But you also could use 4 by 6 size paper, and anything really in between there, you are able to print those smaller sizes up to 8.5 by 11 with this printer. And actually your max paper size is not 8.5 by 11, but it's actually 8.5 by 47.2. So you can print an extra long document, but it does have to be within the parameters of 8.5 inches. Now your max printing resolution on this printer is 4800 by 1200. And your max ink droplet size is 3 droplet sizes as small as 3.3 picoliters. So when it comes to the settings, you really want to make sure you know the size of your paper, the quality of your paper, because right here you can select a wide variety of different types of paper and photo paper. So you're going to select what you have, and then you're going to move into whether you want there to be borders, whether you want there to be other aspects to whether you want it smaller or larger on the page. Me personally, I like to have the paper fully printed with the picture on it. I don't really like borders. I don't like for it to be smaller. I like for it to be the exact size that I see it on the screen. That's how I like for it to be printed on the photo paper. One thing worth noting is that these photo papers, the photos that you end up printing like this, they're going to use quite a bit of ink. So that could make the 2 years worth of ink that is advertised by Epson for each ink bottle, that could be diminished a little bit if you're doing this very often. So that's just worth noting, make you aware of the ink consumption with these photo prints. That goes for any printer, but of course it's different because there's advertising and there's different things coming into play when it comes to the tank printers. Now, me personally, this is great print quality that this printer is able to produce. The pictures came out crisp. The colors came out just like they were supposed to. Really, these photo papers, it doesn't matter what photo paper you use, to be honest, as long as it's the right size, is going to come out great. Whether it's Epson, Canon, or HP, doesn't really matter. But if you wanted to take a step further from this printer, which is a 4-color ink system, you can take a step up to the Epson EcoTank 8500 or the Epson EcoTank 15000 model. Those models are going to be 5 to 6 color ink systems, and so those are going to be able to do really, really well, and the highest print quality that you could really do with an at-home printer would be with one of those printers. I've done a print quality test review on the Epson EcoTank 8500, so you can check that out in the description box below. Now, I tried to print a wide range of colors, a wide range of patterns, things going on in these photos so that you get a really good idea. The first 2 pictures that I printed were with HP, kind of more like a matte finish. This photo here is going to be with Canon photo paper, and it's super glossy, so it's going to be really shiny. So you got those different options, and you see how those different prints came out. Unfortunately, I couldn't really show you like I would like to because the video ended up cutting out. So you're really just gonna have to rely on what you're able to see here and at the end of the video. So I hope I gave you a good visual here of what I ended up doing. I was really happy with the photo quality on this printer. I'm not too surprised though, because the Epson EcoTank lineup usually does really well with photos. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.